So I've got a lot of empty helium tanks. One, because I thought they're kind of cool and would have some purpose, and two, they're just really hard to dispose of. And then one day I had the great idea to make it into a rolling toolbox or tool storage for the shop. I began by tracing the size of the opening in each tank. Then I cut the opening in each one. Sanded the edges. Then I sanded the entire tanks. From there, I welded them all together to make one giant rack. I bolted them to a rack that I made from an old weight set. Painted them all with red primer. After that, I melted some FX gel. I chose to use that instead of toothpaste. I'm just worried about critters getting after that sweet toothpaste. After applying the gel, I let that cool and painted the tanks white. After that, I removed the FX gel, which left behind the red paint. Then I weathered it with watered down black paint. Then I began on the electrical. I took a metal outlet that I had, removed the tab, and the switch fit right inside of it. I mounted it to the bars. Then I decided I also wanted to make kind of a mobile spot with an outlet. So on the other side, I put another outlet. Ran a power cord to it. Connected the outlet. And of course, no job is complete without wire loom. I added some gauges. And I started planning out the LEDs. I chose just to use water bottle caps and hot glued lights into them.